and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Chinese chicken and broccoli. This chicken and broccoli is seasoned with perfection. It has a deep, rich soy sauce glaze and the perfect amount of ginger and garlic and broccoli florets. For our ingredients, for the soy glaze, we have soy sauce, vegetable broth, pure maple syrup, sesame oil, and cornstarch. For our chicken, we have olive oil, we have chicken breast, and you want it thin sliced, and kosher salt. For the stir fry, we have black pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, and broccoli floret. And for our garnish, we have sesame seeds. For our chicken, we are going to preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once your pan is nice and hot, we're going to drizzle some olive oil in it. Next, we're going to add our chicken to our hot pan. Once you have placed your chicken into the pan, do not touch. This will allow the chicken to get a nice golden brown on the bottom. We're going to flip the chicken to get the other side golden brown, and that's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes in total. When ready, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. Now in the same pan, we're going to drizzle a little bit more oil into it. And now I'm going to add my diced onions. I'm going to sear my onions. Next, I'm going to add in my ginger. Next, I'm going to add in my garlic, and we're going to stir fry that until it is aromatic. Next, we're going to add in our soy sauce, our sesame oil, our maple syrup, you're going to add your black pepper. We're going to add in our salt. Here we're adding in our vegetable broth. And we're going to bring that to a simmer. Once your sauce starts to simmer, we're going to add in our broccoli florets. We're going to stir fry our broccoli until it has softened. And then we're going to add in our chicken. Once I add in my chicken, I'm going to cover my broccoli and my chicken with the sauce. Put the top on the pot and I'm going to let it steam for a couple of minutes just to warm up the chicken. And that is it. Our Chinese chicken and broccoli is done. Here we are plating our Chinese chicken and broccoli. And then I'm going to garnish it with some sesame seeds. I know I say this in every video because everything is so yummy. It is so tasty. I'll give it a try and let me know how you like it. But today we made Chinese chicken and broccoli. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eats.